If you are getting the 404 screen error in Calendly, there is a way to avoid getting this. And the way to avoid getting this is to go to your Calendly home screen. And this is the screen that you get once you log into your account. So that's the screen that I'm in right now. I've actually logged in with my Google account, and I'm at my home screen. So I'm at my parent-teacher conference page, but I don't want to go there. I actually want to go to my integrations screen right here. So you're going to press integrations, and then that brings you to another place. Now, at integrations, you're going to scroll way down to the bottom of the page. And at the very bottom of the page, it says Calendar Connections. So you're going to press Calendar Connections, and then you are going to disconnect your calendar. Okay, so disconnect. And then you are going to connect. You're going to reconnect your calendar by pressing connect. And then what you do is you add your school calendar back to it. And then you press allow, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm pressing allow. And then what it will do is it has added my calendar to the Calendly account. And when I go back home now, I should see all of the parent-teacher conferences that I have scheduled for today. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of parent-teacher conferences scheduled for today, which is none. And that is how you do it. So you're going to go to integrations, and you are going to go to disconnect and to reconnect your Google Calendar. So once again, that's how you do it. Okay, so go to integrations and then scroll all the way down to calendar connections, disconnect and reconnect your calendar, and then you won't get that 404 message anymore. Okay, if you have any questions, please give me or Amanda a call, and thanks so much. Bye.